So, ladies and gentlemen, on another episode of SRM Performance, we got us here a little F-150, and the issue we're having with this thing is the horn don't work, and we live here in Texas, boy, and you need your horn for an inspection sticker. So, he wants to get it fixed, and he don't have very much money to get it fixed. So we need to try to help him out. First thing you want to do is locate the horns. They're not nowhere around here. We did find them on this truck, right here on the bottom. Let me see, let me get a look at it. If you go down right here, you'll see the bracket right there holding one, and then this other bracket holding the second one. So I already got one of them out. And we have... Damn, Porky, watch it with Buddy, jeez. Fat boy. Anyways, before Porky decided to kill Buddy, so we already got this one done right here, and we're gonna go do the other one right now, and we're gonna try to help y'all out and show y'all how to fix these without having to go buy another one. So what you want to do, but remind you, before you do all this, make sure you check voltage. Come back over here one more time. So what you want to do first, I'm a little bit ahead of myself today. So you get a voltage meter, you set this thing to voltage, you get voltage, and then what you want to do, this red wire is going to go to the wire that's connected to the horn. These wires are connected to the horn like this. Boom, there goes one right there, and the other one goes on the other wire. And this right here is ground. So what you want to do is you want to get this wire, put it to here, check if you got positive coming out of here, and then you get this black wire out of the multimeter, and you can put it to the frame or to any ground that you can get. And then once you do that, then you have a buddy go inside there and hold the horn down, and you make sure that you got voltage. Go ahead and go down there and go press it so we can show you a little video. Go ahead and watch that voltage meter. I got it grounded out here, I got it there. Look at that voltage meter. As you can see, let me get good ground. If you don't got good ground, it's not gonna work. There it is, 10 volts. The truck's off, that's why. Go ahead and turn on the truck real quick. Alright, now we got the truck running. If it is good, it should be around 14 volts. Go ahead and honk. You see that? Let go of it. Honk again. And you can see we got voltage. So you know that your wire is good. Go ahead and turn everything off. So now that you got that done, you know that your wire is good. So you don't have to need a multimeter no more. And then if you plug the horn in and they don't work, we got something for that here. So what you want to do is, a lot of these, they don't have no shield or nothing, so they get a lot of dirt in here. There's a little motor in here that spins with propellers, and that's what makes the horn. So what you want to do is just tap it lightly. Keep tapping it lightly. Tap it all the way around as much as you can. And you keep doing this for a little while, so you knock most of the dirt out. Then you get yourself this bolt right here. Start. Let's try it again real quick just to see if it works. If it works, it works. If it don't work, we're gonna do something else. And then this wire is power, remember, so you get a jumper cable, hook it up to a good known battery, put your voltage right there, don't let it touch nothing else. And this is ground, remember? Try it. So there ain't nothing coming out of it right now, right? Let's clean it some more. This one might work, it might not work. We'll see. The other one did work. But these get jammed up with a lot of stuff inside of them. So you gotta knock all that nasty shit out of there. See it again. We'll spray a little bit of WD-40 in there. Let's try it again. Let's see if we can get it to work. Go for it. Nothing. I don't know if we're gonna get this one to work. Got good voltage on there? Yeah, that's good over there. Let me see, let me bang it up a little bit more. Hey. Nada. I think this one's bad. This one don't have no connection. Try it again. This one's probably a bad connection inside of there. But anyways, for shits and giggles, hold on, we're gonna try it again. I ain't giving up that easy. This one might not be good, it looks cracked. Try it again. Well. Bring the other one, Fernando. I guess this one's completely dead. That ain't gonna work. But anyways, the other one did work. So we did send that one out. As you can see right here, we've had to pour a little bit of WD-40 in there too. Beat on it a little bit right here too, as you can see. And we got this one to work. Saved them a little bit of cash. Right. There's that, as you can see. So that's how you do that. So if your horn don't work, give it a try. Beat it out. Make sure all the dirt comes out of there. And if it works, it works. All right, guys, back with the Ford, and as you could see, we got the one in there, and they work. One of them does, the other one's still bad. But there you go, and that's how you fix it. If they don't work, well, you're gonna have to get a new one. If y'all like this video, y'all comment, like, and subscribe.